Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using Microsoft Outlook for the web, so that's the online version of Microsoft Outlook, that according to the Microsoft 365 roadmap, we can expect to see 4 small yet I think significant improvements that are going to be rolling out over the next couple of months that will improve the overall search experience if you are using Microsoft Outlook online. Now, 2 of the 4 improvements are rolling out next year, and the other 2 are rolling out shortly this year in 2023. Now, I'm just going to go through these as they are listed over on the Microsoft 365 roadmap. So the first is multi-account search, where search now allows results from all mailboxes configured in the app. Searchers return in a single search merged results from all their mailboxes on the message list. And that rollout is expected in July next year. So you've got about 11 months or so to go before we see multi-account search in Outlook for the web. The next is 1,000 plus search results, which will allow you to return over 1,000 results on a single search. And I think that's a nice move in the right direction, as I would say. And the rollout is expected early next year in January of 2024. Now, the next 2 improvements are rolling out this year. And the third improvement is folder-subfolder recursive search, with Microsoft saying search returns content stored in the main folder and content stored within all its subfolders. And the rollout for that is expected this year in 2023. So about 3 months or so to go before that rolls out. And the fourth and final one, search box interface improvement. So we're going to be seeing some UI improvements for the actual search box. Microsoft says search experience improvements makes it more prominent and discoverable with higher color contrast on the input area, border and font, along with fine tunes on all themes as well as light and dark modes. So obviously the actual search box is going to be getting a bit of a UI overall, which I think has been a long time coming. It still looks a little bit legacy, so to speak. And maybe if they do make it look a little bit more modern, I think that would be a nice move. And the search box interface improvement, the rollout is expected shortly in September of this year, 2023. Now, obviously at this stage, Microsoft gives us the months when these 4 features will be rolling out, but they don't give us the exact date in those months. But normally with these new features, they are pushed out progressively using a controlled rollout. And at this stage, there's no mention from Microsoft if they are going to be rolling out these 4 new features as mentioned in this video today to the other Outlook platforms. At this stage, they are only for Outlook Online, Outlook for the web. So if anything does change, obviously, I will let you know about that. But nonetheless, those search box experience improvements, those 4 as mentioned today, will be rolling out over the next couple of months in Outlook for the web. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.